Welcome to Future Bike Hub 09. Today, we bring you a closer look at the Triumph Daytona 675R, a legendary supersport motorcycle known for its sharp design, precision handling, and race-inspired performance. At first glance, the Triumph Daytona 675R instantly stands out with its aggressive full-side profile and aerodynamic fairings. Every line and curve is designed to cut through the air efficiently, giving the bike a sleek, performance-focused appearance. Its compact yet muscular body reflects true supersport DNA. At the heart of the Daytona 675 lies a powerful 675 cubic centimeters inline three-cylinder engine. This engine is famous for its smooth power delivery and thrilling mid-range performance. Throttle response is quick and precise, making the bike equally exciting on highways and technical roads. The lightweight aluminum frame plays a crucial role in the bike's exceptional handling. Combined with premium suspension components, the Daytona 675 offers outstanding stability at high speeds and sharp, confident cornering. The bike feels perfectly balanced, giving riders complete control and confidence. Braking performance is top tier, thanks to high-performance disc brakes and quality calipers. The stopping power is strong, consistent, and reliable, ensuring maximum safety even during aggressive riding. The wheels and performance tires provide excellent grip and road feedback, whether accelerating hard, leaning into corners, or braking suddenly. The Daytona 675 remains planted and predictable. Overall, the Triumph Daytona 675R is not just a motorcycle. It's a pure rider-focused machine built for those who love speed, precision, and premium engineering. It perfectly represents the spirit of a true supersport bike. For more future bikes, detailed reviews, and cinematic motorcycle content, subscribe to Future Bike Hub 09.